Is Windows OS Core Xbox reporting the Partyxbox Live DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To begin our Partyxbox Live troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Partyxbox Live, the Xbox Live Party Library. It provides unmanaged routines for connecting users across the Xbox network, facilitating the real-time communication manifest for multiplayer data links. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Partyxbox Live belongs to the Windows OS Core Xbox bundle and is unique to that software. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Windows OS Core Xbox will restore this file along with its related binary components. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Partyxbox Live file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Partyxbox Live DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Partyxbox Live and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Partyxbox Live from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.